Struggling to find the right fertilizer for your raised garden beds? You're not alone. Choosing the proper nutrients is key to a successful harvest, especially in raised beds where soil needs are different from in-ground gardens. Using the wrong fertilizer can lead to poor growth and disappointing results. In today's video, we'll explore 7 of the best fertilizers made specifically for raised bed gardening, each one chosen to boost plant health and maximize your yields. Whether you're just starting out or looking to improve your garden's performance, these options will help you grow stronger, healthier plants with ease. Be sure to check the description below for product links, application tips, and where to find the best prices. Let's jump in and find the fertilizer that will take your raised bed garden to the next level. Topping our list at number 1 is organic compost, often referred to as the gold standard when it comes to fertilizers for raised garden beds. Compost is decomposed organic material that transforms kitchen scraps, yard clippings, and garden debris into a nutrient-rich soil amendment your plants will thrive on. What sets compost apart is its dual benefit. It improves soil structure and delivers slow-release nutrients that feed your plants steadily throughout the entire growing season. It's rich in essential macronutrients, nitrogen for lush leafy growth, phosphorus to promote strong roots, and potassium for overall plant health. But compost does more than just feed plants. It supports the soil itself. It introduces beneficial microorganisms that create a thriving, living ecosystem beneath the surface. These microbes help break down nutrients and improve water retention. To use it, simply spread a 2 to 3 inch layer over your raised bed and mix it lightly into the top few inches of soil. This easy step creates the ideal environment for healthy, productive plants, making compost a must-have foundation for any raised bed garden. Coming in at number 2 on our list is worm castings, often referred to as black gold by seasoned gardeners, and for good reason. These nutrient-rich droppings from earthworms might not sound glamorous, but they're one of the most powerful and natural fertilizers you can use in your raised bed garden. What makes worm castings so special is their gentle potency. They release nutrients slowly and steadily, making them perfect for delicate plants, seedlings, and even heavy feeders. Unlike synthetic fertilizers, they won't burn your plants, even if you apply a little extra. Packed with a rich supply of nitrogen, phosphorus, and potassium, along with important micronutrients like calcium, magnesium, and iron, worm castings nourish plants from the roots up. But the benefits don't stop there. They also enhance soil structure, improve drainage, and increase water retention, critical factors for successful raised bed gardening. You can purchase high-quality worm castings at most garden centers or create your own worm bin at home for a continuous supply. To use, simply sprinkle a handful around the base of each plant or mix directly into planting holes when transplanting. Landing at number 3 on our list is fish emulsion, a powerful liquid organic fertilizer that delivers fast-acting nutrition to your raised bed plants. Derived from processed fish waste, fish emulsion is especially prized for its high nitrogen content, which plants can absorb almost immediately. This makes it the go-to solution when your vegetables need a quick boost, whether it's to kickstart leafy growth, recover from transplant shock, or power through the peak growing season. It's particularly effective for leafy greens like spinach, lettuce, and kale, as well as herbs and other nitrogen-loving crops. Beyond nitrogen, fish emulsion contains a wide range of micronutrients and trace minerals that support overall plant health and resilience. While the smell can be a bit pungent at first, it usually fades fast, and the growth benefits make it well worth it. To use, simply dilute the fish emulsion as directed on the label and apply it to your raised beds every 2 to 3 weeks. Be sure to water it in thoroughly. This helps reduce odor and ensures the nutrients reach the root zone quickly and effectively. At number 4, we have bone meal, a time-tested organic fertilizer that's especially beneficial for root vegetables and flowering plants grown in raised beds. Made from finely ground animal bones, bone meal is naturally high in phosphorus, the key nutrient responsible for strong root development, vigorous flowering, and fruit production. Its slow-release formula allows nutrients to be gradually absorbed by plants over time, supporting long-term health and productivity throughout the growing season. Bone meal is an excellent choice when planting crops like carrots, beets, onions, tomatoes, and peppers, all of which rely on strong root systems and proper phosphorus levels. It also provides a healthy dose of calcium, which plays a critical role in preventing issues like blossom end rot in tomatoes and tip burn in leafy greens. Easy to use in its granular form, bone meal can be sprinkled directly into planting holes or spread across the surface of the soil before planting. For best results, mix it into the top few inches of soil. Use about 1 tablespoon per planting hole or follow the label instructions for larger applications. It's a great way to give your raised bed plants a strong start. At number 5, we have Kelp Meal, an incredible organic fertilizer derived from dried and ground seaweed. Kelp Meal might not provide huge amounts of the major nutrients, but it's absolutely packed with trace minerals and growth hormones that plants crave. These micronutrients are often missing from garden soils and commercial fertilizers, making Kelp Meal an essential addition to raised bed gardens. The natural growth hormones in Kelp Meal help plants develop stronger root systems, improve their resistance to diseases and pests, and increase overall vigor. Kelp Meal also improves soil biology by feeding beneficial microorganisms that help plants absorb nutrients more effectively. It's particularly beneficial for plants growing in containers or raised beds, where soil can become depleted more quickly than ground-level gardens. Apply Kelp Meal by mixing it into your potting mix before planting or side dressing established plants monthly during the growing season. The slow-release nature means you won't see immediate results, but the long-term benefits to plant health are remarkable. Number 6 on our list is Balanced Granular Organic Fertilizer, a simple yet highly effective solution for raised bed gardeners who want consistent, long-lasting nutrition without the hassle. These fertilizers provide a well-rounded mix of nitrogen, phosphorus, and potassium, along with important micronutrients that support all stages of plant growth. What really makes them shine is their slow-release formula, which feeds your plants gradually over time, reducing the need for frequent applications and minimizing the risk of nutrient burn. Unlike synthetic options, organic granular fertilizers also work to improve soil health, encouraging the growth of beneficial microbes and enhancing overall structure and water retention. Common ingredients often include feather meal, kelp meal, rock phosphate, and composted manure, delivering both immediate and long-term benefits. Ideal for raised beds, these fertilizers resist leaching, even with regular watering. Apply at the start of the season and once again mid-season. Simply scatter over the soil, mix lightly into the top few inches, and water in well to activate. Rounding out our top 7 at number 7 is Liquid Seaweed Fertilizer, a versatile and fast-acting option that's perfect for regular feeding throughout the growing season. Liquid seaweed provides immediate nutrition that plants can absorb through both their roots and leaves, making it ideal for foliar feeding or soil application. The nutrient profile includes not just the major nutrients, but also over 60 trace minerals that plants need for optimal health and productivity. Regular use of liquid seaweed fertilizer helps plants develop stronger immune systems, better drought tolerance, and improved fruit and flower production. It's particularly effective when used in combination with other organic fertilizers on this list, creating a comprehensive feeding program for your raised beds. The liquid form makes it easy to apply with a watering can or hose end sprayer, and you can adjust the concentration based on your plant's needs. Use liquid seaweed fertilizer every 2 weeks during active growing periods, applying it early morning or evening to prevent leaf burn and maximize absorption. There you have it, the 7 best fertilizers that will take your raised bed garden from ordinary to extraordinary. Remember, the key to success with raised bed gardening is consistent nutrition throughout the growing season. And these fertilizers give you multiple options to keep your plants thriving. Whether you choose to use just one of these fertilizers or combine several for a complete feeding program, your plants will reward you with incredible growth and abundant harvests. Don't forget to check the description below for links to all these products and my exclusive discount codes. If this video helped you choose the right fertilizer for your raised beds, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more practical gardening advice. Drop a comment and let me know which fertilizer you're most excited to try. And I'll see you in the next video, where we'll be covering the best soil mixes for raised bed success. Happy gardening!